Okay, so today I brought two rods with me. One of them, I've got this little 2-inch Powerbait you can see with the forked tail that's on a 1/16 ounce jig head. This is actually on my brand new, I just got this in the mail yesterday, my Tatula. This is probably the nicest rod and reel I've ever owned, so I'm pretty excited to try this out. And then I've also got the, I think it's a Z-Man, call it Shrooms or something, but it's a little 1/8 ounce, basically finesse jig. And then I've got a, just like a, I don't know, shaky head tail that I've cut off that I'm using as the trailer on that. Yeah, look, a fish just surfaced right there. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this guy first. That's a fish. Oh my gosh. Yes! Dude, he's a good fighter. Let's go! That's exactly what I wanted. Little smallie. That is my first, that might be my first creek smallie. Look at that. And on my brand new Tatula, that's pretty cool. Oh, he's hooked really nicely. Got him on the, oh, he's kind of tangled there. Yeah, I got him on the little 2-inch Powerbait fork tail. That is really cool. All right, sorry to the fish. I am gonna have to toss you a little bit though. All right, see you, dude. Thanks for biting. Yeah, he's good. He darted right off. There's another bite. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I just had another bite. There we go. Oh, I just had a bite. That's 2 bites since the fish I caught. So there's definitely a couple more of them here. All right, wasn't getting any more bites or anything at that first spot. I did catch one fish, and then I had like, I'd say 3 or 4 bites. But I mean, those could have been creek chubs for all I know. But yeah, I'm at the second spot now. I think on the drive over, it looked like it was a little bit bigger, so that's good news. But yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. Oh yeah, guys, this is the spot. It's so much deeper right here. I mean, you can just see how blue it is. Or how green or blue or whatever. This is the spot. Fish. Let's go. Creek smallie number 2. I mean, technically it's a river, but look at that. Oh, he's getting a little fat. A little bit of a pre-spawn belly on him. He didn't even hit it. I was just letting it, I don't know if you guys saw, I was just letting it like drift in the current, just doing little jigs. And then it just, I just felt my line get a little bit tight. And then as I pulled up on it, it was just a slow increase in pressure. I never even felt like a hit or a bite. All right. We're gonna toss my man back here. He's good. Sweet. Fish number 2. There's a hit, there's a hit. Fish. What the heck? That's a rock bass. Dude, that's my first rock bass ever. I'm not even kidding. This is literally the first rock bass I've ever caught. So I guess this is a PB then? Look at that thing, wow. Look at those red eyes on him. That is pretty cool. All right, first rock bass I've ever caught. See you, bud. He's sitting right there. I was about to leave. I'm glad I took a couple more casts. So I am done for the day. That was pretty cool. Caught 2 smallies and my first rock bass. Kind of surprised. I've never caught a rock bass before. I mean, I've been fishing for like, what, 15 or something years and I've never caught a rock bass, but hey, there you go. First time for everything right there. Yeah, this is the first time this year that I've actually fished in these like small rivers like that I've actually caught some. I think it's been way too cold, or I just haven't been fishing the spots that are deep enough for them. But weather is warming up, so yeah, the creek action and small river action should really start to heat up here, and maybe next time I can get one of those sauger walleye. Thanks for watching.